Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Iqra Cricket Club Lumding Jri dekat cingat trailang bak kedor basnau Lumding Jri Club Penlong yak Lumding Jri Premier League keplas dang naduk ka arpau tre unai wing arajar arpusan kum shiben pa ben pelat yak Khynnah red bad ik Samla ni Jingsniew Pynngop hak Jingsniew ki Jingsniew khamtam e nau drop kidan khat san teli ki kin hon jogi Khynnah shinrang bat south teli ki kin hon jogi kin thei ki blai shim benta hak lempung ile kai blai jingmod do Ashraf Jerwa baru Rehan Ali nang ban kinti ru ikasap ilakai cricket jangki Samla lut kibdang ki dangsan kani ka jing ilakai bala penlong hai indoor hall le se kan long ka baning kong e hamigalaya ka bala pin ilakai da ka tennis ball ni deuce ball kino pinya ikla pentep bawan sa penha perdano e kani ka lempong ilakai ka santri no pra arajar alpusan
And day-to-day life I have seen in our locality, most of the boys are there involving in wrong path. Like the drug addiction is there, increasing day and night. So with this game, I hope all the young generation will cooperate with us. They will avoid going to the bad paths, trying to be fit in the social life, mix up with the social ground, mixing up with the Robosnong. Most probably, I am very much interested in this game because of this addiction is spoiling our whole society. I hope this little step of ours can reduce this habit, bad habits, and indulging. Second thing, most boys, after coming from the school education and going to workshop, they are involving in only mobiles, PUBGs, only these bad things are they're taking. But after organizing this game, I have seen all the boys, since from the age of 8 to 45, 46 years, they are avoiding this mobile for at least for 5 to 6 hours. It's a great achievement for us, especially to Ashraf Jirwa and Rehan Ali. They have created this mindset. We'll organize this smiley ball cricket. I think Ashraf Jirwa can explain better than me why he have chosen this smile ball instead of tennis ball. It's a recreation. We send people to rehab. Rehab is not a matter of solve. Rehab, you can compact one person to stay in one room. But in games, you can open their minds. You can open their physics. It helps to reduce their addiction to uniform. It will help us to create our generation in a good path, not with the bad path. To put them in a cell like a jail, we cannot put them in a jail. If we want to change the people's mind, we can organize such type of games that each and everybody can participate and improve themselves and to come forward with the society. That's my thing.
The motive of this game is that it's a smiley ball tournament, which I think it's a very new concept as far as I'm concerned about it. And it's a smiley ball, and the main motive is that we have chosen smiley ball to spread smile in people's face. And our main object is that we have organized this tournament because, as you have seen, that nowadays youth, especially where they are going now, you can see most of the youth, they are involved in some illegal activities, drugs and all. So in order to bring those youth back to one platform for a good physical health, to know about their own stamina, so that's why we have organized this smiley ball tournament. And one thing I would like to thank our Dorbashnong specially. This tournament has been organized by Iqra Cricket Club, Lumdingjiri, in collaboration with Dorbashnong Lumdingjiri, who have really cooperated with us. And in future, we will like to, now we have organized in a limited area, like only for Lumdingjiri. But in future, we would try to make it in a big way. Actually, the youth and especially our youth from locality, like young generation, I'll give you some names like Ashraf Jarwa, Rehan, and few more names are there who have come with this concept. And when we heard about this concept, we were interested. Yeah, something new should be done. And in this, you can see, as you have seen, in one team it's not any age limit bar. In a single team, you can see a 10-year boy and a 45 years man playing with the same team. As a resident of Lumdingjiri, our message, not mine, it's our message to all the youth, that please take care of your health, because health is wealth. And to take care of your health, we should always involve in some physical activities, either outdoor or indoor. It doesn't make any difference whether you are only in outdoor, you'll be physically fit. Even so many sports are there, indoor games, where we can spend our times. Like I can give you my experience. Before, when I used to come from shop, I used to be busy with my mobile. But now, since the day we have started this tournament, I have no time to even see my mobile also. I am physically involved in it. So I would like to request all the youths to come forward, and we also need cooperation from all of the society, that in future we are planning to organize such kind of tournament in a big platform. That's it.
Another thing, like this.
We have got so many teams from our locality, only 15 teams from male and 4 teams from female. And even the spectators you have seen, that everyone is coming to encourage it. All the people from our Lumdingjiri area, they are really coming to encourage this game and to make it a huge success.
Pidan dukan marbam ndai compare la ka bared ka pidi harut surok ni ka bahe kum ki restaurant bat ki way ni pishat roti shat cake bat ki way na ka benta ka koi ka khya jongi pat ba nong bam nong di pat ba Pynbyrngia ka Jingsniew naki pidan kam bandon de ka license ka papaka ka bala ithu da ka an kata ka Food Safety and Standards Act arajar henril link ba ka section lai phoi iwe kam de ka ba Pynbyrngia ka license pila ban apply ka online link ba ka website foscus.fssai.gov.in da ka ba pihap pan upload ru ikot kisla badan kam kat kum ka judging kam jong pi pila ru banyak kendo iki designated officers lani food safety officers ke badan hak office terekam jong u lani ke district medical and health officer habaro ke district ke badan hamigalaya Lait no tang ha is khasihers pila ban let bet chak office terekam jongki ka commissionerate of food safety ke badan halowa lachumya nakabenta ka kot kakya kinong bam nong di lawan ra shapi daga commissionerate of food safety government of Meghalaya bat balakershan daga food safety and standards authority of India.